What is going on, everybody? What's up, everybody? So we getting it in. It's a beautiful day. It's a super beautiful day out here. Everybody on twos. We got some brothers on twos. He was on that dude was on a mini bike, still getting it in. Yes, sir. So we going to someplace special. We're gonna try to check it out. Been on a hunt to find like some unique areas in my city, just to kind of check them out, you know, and check out the talent, man. There's a lot of street art in certain areas. Your city might be a hot spot for one. It may not be. I don't know if San Antonio necessarily is, but I am surprised to see that there are a lot of street art murals and things of that nature in the city. So we're gonna check it out. It's another spot that I found, potentially that I found, that might be a nugget. So we're gonna check it out. Today, this weekend, pretty nice. I wanted to get out yesterday. I didn't get out yesterday. It's all good. Today, getting out. And super windy. That's for sure. So we're just gonna cruise today. Warm up these tires. And we're not rolling with the I'm not rolling with the X4 today. I didn't put the X4 on there today. I didn't even know if I was gonna go try to find these murals tonight. I was just wanting to get out and ride, slow down a little bit. I think the one thing that is kind of frustrating, I've been really frustrated actually, is that I've been looking for people to make content, man, and I think it's something that honestly, I don't know. I just think that a lot of people probably just don't do content. It doesn't seem like there's that many people out here that do content, dude. It's just weird. Well, I think it's weird, but it's probably not weird. I mean, I understand that there's a shit ton of people that ride. I just assumed that, I don't know, that people make content. I don't know. I guess everybody just doesn't make content. So just a little disappointed, man. Like the guys that I usually ride with, a lot of them are down right now because they're the bikes are down for whatever reason. So it's been kind of sucky because nobody's been really riding. Let's go. Yeah, I just wish I had somebody that was kind of like-minded in the area to meet up with regularly and make content. Let's go. Yeah, but it's super nice. I just wish that there were some people I could bounce ideas off of every so often. But it's not that many people that make content, you know. So let's go. Well, yeah, man, it's nice out today. Loving the weather, man. Forgot we getting off right here, so I'm gonna go roll through Midtown real quick. for them to come clean up this, clean all this shit up, man. Ah, I forgot to clip my damn. Forgot to clip my my helmet. I'll worry about it when I stop. We getting off here at St. Mary's. This is the Ninja. That shit right there. Woo! Just got a long ass green light. That's crazy. Yep, so light shenanigans, man. It's been a rough week. It's been a rough week. That's for sure. A lot of challenges this week. Challenges of not wanting to really film or anything like that. Just, I don't know. It's just been a really weird time. So we got some murals over here. It looks like. I don't know why I've never come over here. Got some more. Got a gallery there. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's pretty dope. So we got some right over here too. That's dope. Let's take a look. Yo, that's kind of dope. Oh, that's really dope. So I know exactly where I'm at. Yeah, so it's got some fire ass murals over here. Welcome to my city. Yeah, it's got some nice stuff around here. Let's go check it out. Let's go. So yeah, I never come over here often, and I probably should because they got like a little bunch of bars and stuff around here. That's really nice. So I'm gonna check them out. Okay, so that's the Gallery Club. Okay, that's dope. So we're gonna go over there and check that out real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me get a hot second. I didn't, so we're gonna have to come over here. They got a little sports bar over here, and they got the gallery. That's the spot actually right there, the gallery. That's what I saw online. Okay, so that's a little spot there, and then they got the little street bar here. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back and actually come out here and chill. That's dope. I like this. That's dope. And they got some dope spots over here. We just gotta come over here and roll. That's a dope spot. It looks like a dope little spot. It's got some dope spots, man. That's clean. Yeah, that's clean. Yo, it's got some nice little spots around here. It's pretty sick. I like it. That's what's up. And they're putting up a lot of these lofts and stuff downtown, man. They're really trying to change the area up, which I like. It's kind of sad at the same time, but I like it. See, like they put in all these new penthouses and stuff like that. They're cleaning up the downtown areas. You know, I like it. It kind of sucks that a lot of the stuff gets a little gentrified and whatnot, but I mean, you know, it is what the city needs. The city needs to be cleaned up. It's getting bad. Ooh, can't stop me. Yeah, so I have no idea. I don't know. We're just gonna take it, see where it takes us, explore the city a little bit. Oh, this is where I was supposed to actually go, I think. So there's a lot of underpasses like right here, and it's closer to Midtown, but a lot of the underpasses, the pillars and stuff have a lot of artwork on them. So I think that's what I was trying to find. I think I'm actually pretty close. It's nice. The Pearl, that's where we're at. So it's actually right around here, but it's a lot of it's kind of hard to explain. There's a lot of the pillars that hold up the freeways. A lot of brothers go out and do the artwork on those pillars, so a lot of it you got to go park, like you're gonna go down to the Pearl, which is over there. You get out your car, you know, you go walk around and stuff like that. That's where you see most of the artwork, but I'm not gonna go down there because we don't have, I'm not gonna park. Yeah. I might have to take the wife. We got to go back over there. Forgot they got a stop sign right here. Ooh, nigga, I was about to go. Let's go, baby. And there's another spot over here too. It's called Hayes Bridge. But it looks like Hayes Bridge, they got tired of y'all probably saw a couple of videos like prior, like a while back, where we would be at Hayes Bridge a lot. But what ended up happening is that they put up like motorcycle barriers to block bikes from going up the bridge. Before, they used to have just like bicycle ones, like little bitty pillars that would keep out, you know, most people, you would understand that you're not supposed to drive through there. But because it's a big motorcycle staple, a lot of bikes go there, right? It's like a little landmark for motorcyclists. So they look like they put in reinforced bigger pillars to block motorcycles from going on there. It's so stupid, but it is what it is. How much gas I got another bikers out today. I'm telling you, it's a beautiful day out. Everybody's out kind of riding today. The only thing I don't like is it's just very, very windy. That's about it. So other than that, we're just chilling, man. It gets super windy, blowing me all over the damn place. Beautiful bike, nice BMW GS. He was either a BMW or if that was a Honda. That was African Twin. And you got some people that are fucking idiots, like this guy who really wants to get in. What a fucking idiot, dude. Dude's an idiot, man. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, man. Like, cars be acting weird, bro. Like, if I really wanted to speed and get ahead of you, I could. It's not the smartest thing to do in every situation, though, you know what I mean? So it's like people be acting crazy, bro. Sometimes people see you on the bike, man, and they just be like, they want to race you so bad, they just do dumb shit, and it's like, bro, you're putting me in danger, and I ain't got shit to do with what you want to do. People, relax. I'll be like, relax. Relax. We out here, we trying to be careful, we trying to have fun, like, I ain't trying to deal with, well, I want to go through the light, do I don't really want to. There's a really dope gas station that it's just, the construction is so bad off this highway at a certain point because they're still doing a whole bunch of shit. I wish there's some fellas out, I'd go to Buc-ee's, shit. Shit, I might just go down there just because. Let's go. So I'm gonna roll, we're gonna go, I'm gonna turn around and get some gas, and we're just gonna cruise, man. I've just been wanting to cruise all day, and I'm at home watching badass videos and get my ass out and ride, man.